Hello, student. Good morning. Chapter 13, The Mauryan Dynasty. Today's in this video, we complete tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, match the following, and answer the following question in a brief. Now, start. At first, tick the correct option. The founder of Maurya dynasty was. The founder of Maurya dynasty was Chandragupta Maurya, who wrote Arthashastra. Who wrote Arthashastra? So Arthashastra wrote by Kautilya. The ambassador sent by Seleucus Nicator to the court of Chandragupta Maurya was. The ambassador sent by Seleucus Nicator to the court of Chandragupta Maurya was Itsing, Megasthenes, Phahyan. Now our right answer is Phahyan. The last Nanda ruler was Dhanananda, Mahaparmanand, Dayananda, and Ghanananda. Option C. The Mauryan kings were assisted by. The Mauryan king were assisted by Mantri Parishad. Then fill in the blanks. Alexander was the son of King Philip of Macedonia. The king Philip of Macedonia. Okay. Macedonia. And Chandragupta Maurya invaded Magad with the help of Chanakya. With the help of Chanakya. During Ashoka's rule, this was the main base of village economy. The main base was number 3, agriculture. Agriculture was the main base. Number 4, the city administration during the Mauryans period was under. The city administration during the Mauryan period was under चाणक्य. चाणक्य के अंडर में ही आता था पूरा सिटी का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. और नंबर 5, द चाइनीज ट्रेवलर डैश was assigned to see the Maurya palace. तो Phahyan, Phahyan, Phahyan. Okay. Now, next, match the following. Match the following बराबर. तो caves. Odisha, Kalinga, Madurai, textile center, Shasharam, rock edict, सांची, स्तूपा. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा इसका आप. Answer the following question in a brief. Question number 1. Who was Seleucus Nicator? So Seleucus Nicator was commander of Alexander. Question number 2. List the main source of information about Maurya dynasty. कौन कौन से सोर्स हैं जिससे हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है मौर्य डायनेस्टी के बारे में? There are two types of source of Mauryan history. One is literary and other is archaeological. The literary source include Kautilya Arthashastra. Kautilya का अर्थशास्त्र, Megasthenes Indica, Buddhist literature and Purans. The archaeological source include Ashokan's edict, inscriptions and materials remains such as silver and copper punchmark coins. These all are the main source of information about Maurya dynasty. Question number 2. Which lake was built by Chandragupta Maurya and why? चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य ने कौन से लेक को बनाया और क्यों बनाया? तो चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य built Sudarshan Lake is a good example of the irrigation system that was prevalent at that time. तो सबसे किसने बनाया? चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य बनाया. किस लिए बनाया? तो इरिगेशन के लिए बनाया, इरिगेशन सिस्टम के लिए बनाया. Name the language which Ashoka teaching were engraved. Ashoka teaching were engraved in the language like Kharoshti, Prakrit, Greek or Aramaic. Okay. And last question. What advice was given by Ashoka to his son and grandson? अशोका ने अपने सन और ग्रैंडसन को क्या एडवाइस दिया था? उसने यही बताया, he advised his son and grandson not conquer new countries. They were advised to go धर्म विजय, that is winning the heart of the people. उसने ये एडवाइस दिया कि भाई नया कंट्री को कॉन्क्योर मत करना, अपनी टेरिटरी को मत डेवलप करना, बस आप धर्म विजय की ओर चलना, लोगों का दिल जीतना.